Like, how old is this Messi? How can someone who's 38 or 39 be playing this so well? The only thing Messi lack right now that I can say like is not the same with Messi we used to know. It maybe his speed. His speed. But if he's that magic, Messi still have it on his feet. He still have those magic. The only thing he lack is the energy, the pace, or the speed. That's the only thing Messi lack right now. He's far better than a lot of players who is over 21. Like, he's far better than them. The only thing, like I said, he lack his speed. What a player. Like, what a player. He's really, really the GOAT, I must say. What a player. I just take my time to watch him today. Every other players, I just let me focus on Messi. And this guy is so good at his age. It's unbelievable. Argentina is so lucky to have a player like Messi. And the final will be so interesting to see Yami and Messi. Barcelona fans, who are you gonna support?